So over here in my desktop, you can see that I have a product CSV file that I exported from a Strikingly page. So if you have this right here, just like this, then what you can actually do is you can import out these products in other sites that you may have in Strikingly as well. So for that, here you can see that I have a page with the store enabled. So if I were to go to manage products right here, you don't see any product right here. But over here, you can add in your new product on your own, or you can go ahead and click on import products, as you can see right here. So if I were to go ahead and click on import products, you can see that I can download a CSV template right here and fill up details in it, or I can upload a CSV file which already has the product info. So in my case, it's this one. So I'm just going to upload this file. And over here, you can see that I have this particular product CSV file right here. So if I were to go ahead and upload it, then what happens is that I get an option to start importing. So let's just go ahead and import it out. And then you can see that the import has started. So you just need to wait for a while. And now you can see that the importing process has been completed, and you can see the images as well, as you can see, which was there. The links always were there in the CSV file itself. So you can go ahead and now make changes to it as you want. So that is basically how you can go ahead and then import out store product info from a CSV file inside of Strikingly. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.